Hello everybody, today we got this Porter W CAP 2001 from Busyman company, busyman.kr. Let's take a look at this car, show you the interior, show you inside and the engine. Let's start by 360 degrees view, then show you the doors. Back side of it. Okay, let's go check these doors. For a 2001 car, I think it's in a good condition. It's a little bit of rust down there, but it's not that bad. See the other door at the back. One's quite rusty from the bottom. The other side. And here's the door, the driver's side. It's also in a good condition. There's a little bit of rust on the edges. Overall, it's in a good condition. See this door as well. There is rust here. Okay, let's start the engine and show you. Let's show the engine. So here's the engine. Sounds pretty smooth. The circulation is also good. Open this one. Nothing's coming out. A little bit of oil. That's normal. Alright, here we go. We're inside the vehicle. Let me show you what is inside now, the functions and everything. Let's start by boarding the engine on. Okay, clutch, lights are on, lights are off, everything is good. Let's try to accelerate. Acceleration is going very smooth. Try harder. Perfect acceleration. Show you other things here. Let's try the radio, the audio. Perfect.
서울 양양고속도로 양양 쪽 북방 3터널 2차로에서도 승용차 사고를.
Works perfectly. Let's try the AC as well. AC on, fan. Oh, the air is blowing very hard, very strong. This side as well. This side also. So the aircon is working perfectly. Switch it off. See the windows. This one works perfectly. The other side, let me show you here. Also works perfectly, but at the bottom it's like a bit slow. Back side. There's plenty of space here. Manual gear. Alright.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
This was the review of the Double Cab Porter 2001. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. And if you have any questions, please, you can ask anytime. And you can visit us on busyman.kr. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.